In this guide, I'm going to show you how to connect your custom domain to HubSpot using DNS settings with the full 2026 layout. This is required if you want to publish website pages, landing pages, blogs, or send branded marketing emails through your own domain. So first, open your browser, go to hubspot.com, click Login, and sign into your account. Once your dashboard loads, we're ready to begin. In the top right corner, click the Settings gear icon. From the left menu, scroll to Website, then click Domains and URLs. This is where HubSpot manages all connected domains. Click Connect a domain and choose the type of domain you want to use. This could be for website pages, blogs, landing pages, or as an email sending domain. Next, enter your custom domain name and click Next. HubSpot will now generate DNS records for verification. These may include TXT records for verification, CNAME records for subdomains, or MX records for email sending. Click Copy next to each DNS record provided. Now open your domain provider in a new browser tab. This could be GoDaddy, Namecheap, Cloudflare, Hostinger, or any other registrar you use. Go to your DNS settings panel and add the new records exactly as HubSpot provided them. Make sure every character matches, then save your changes. Once all records are added, go back to HubSpot and click Verify. DNS changes may take a few minutes or sometimes a few hours to fully propagate. When the verification completes successfully, your domain will show as connected and ready to use. After your domain is connected, you can publish HubSpot pages on it, send marketing emails from it, and enable full branding and tracking. And that's it. That's how to connect your domain using HubSpot DNS settings with the 2026 setup. It's a one-time setup that unlocks the full power of your HubSpot website and email tools. Thanks for